As GPU clusters grow, they demand and require their own networking, their own compute, their own storage. And what that basically means is that over time, as organizations want to leverage these large clusters for inferencing or training, they need to pool these resources together. And as those resources grow, that is what eventually turns into an AI factory. So an AI factory, just think of this as a very large set of compute, storage, and networking services that helps organizations accomplish their AI tasks, whether it's training or inference. Organizations that have already gone down the path of building and scaling AI factories are encountering challenges with respect to delivery, they're encountering challenges with respect to efficiency, workflow routing, scheduling, as well as security. These are the largest issues that companies are facing today, at least the ones who are going down the path of building and scaling AI factories. AI factories are already mainstream. I think what a lot of people don't realize is that in countries all over the world, organizations or even governments have already invested in building up these large, awesome AI factories.